Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a vegetable, closely related to onions and garlic, known for their mild, sweet flavor. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as shallots, shallots, lots, shallots. They are rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals. Shallots support heart health, boost the immune system, and have anti-inflammatory properties. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about shallots, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.